feeding time. Little pellets in. Oop. They're all eating. The other little fish over here. There's some down there. There's a couple of them eating over there. They're like, food, food. Eat the food. Let's see if the crawfish comes out. No, don't see him. And now we got all the plants, and see they're actually growing out of the water now. It's getting well established. You see on the other side. See how they're growing out of the water now? Do some clippings. All the little sea life. It's thriving. Oop, turtles are swimming. He's like, food. The box turtle likes hanging out in the roots from the plant. Getting the glass, I think this weekend, to get these doors put on. And the crawfish is actually, oop, he's not there. The crawfish hangs out here. I don't know if we can see him in there. Nope, can't see him in there, but he usually hangs out in here. And the box turtle, or not the box turtle, the snapping turtle. I don't know where he is today. He was swimming around the other day. Oh, it's like reflecting. I can't really see it. I fed him a dead fish. He like snapped at it and it's like eating it. Oh. Like gnawing on it.
Mama, I don't like snapping turtles anymore.
Look how vicious he is. He's like, rah, rah, rah.
Yeah,
I didn't think he'd eat the dead fish or like eat that one that big. Oh my God! I thought he was too tiny. Nope, he's chewing on them.
I don't like frogs.
Oh, the frogs are, yeah, the frogs in the thing. The snapping turtle's out. He's getting big. And of course the box turtle likes up here in this little nook with the roots of the plant.